G'day and welcome to StreetSpecTV. In this episode, we're in the beautiful little village of Moama on the Victoria-New South Wales border in southern New South Wales, just over the Murray River. We're at the early Ford V8 Nationals. It's a beautiful day. There's plenty of cars here. So let's get around and check them out.
Cause I'm a wanderer, yeah, a wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. Oh well, I roam from town to town. I go through life without a care, and I'm as happy as a clown. I with my two fists divine, but I'm going nowhere. Oh yeah, I'm the type of guy that likes to roam around.
It's a real rock and rhythm.